Okay, so today we are going to put a couple more frames in the top box, which we didn't do the other day. We just put a couple that didn't have any foundation actually. We put frames but no foundation onto it. So we're just going to replace two and have a bit of a look. Should be quite active today. Much action in this top box at all. Nothing really happening. Here's one of our empties. So this one. We might even move one of the brood ones up into the top box, I reckon.
Don't they say not to mix their order up?
Mix the order?
Like, don't put the frames back in the wrong order. So,
I didn't think it would matter. We've got a problem here. This nail is sticking out too far. I'll get it back in. There's not much room in here at all. There we go. It's going to be a tight fit. And this one. Really tight, man. We're not going to be able to get that back out.
we just do normal frames.
We could.
Yeah, there's really nothing going on in there, is there?
Yeah. So we'll take this top box off, eh?
Yeah, might as well.
Have a look.
One of the rubber bands has been snapped off.
Yeah. No, it's just flat out. So this is the one we put on the side here. Remember?
Oh yeah, that will be interesting.
So what's going on with this one? Nothing on that at all. They haven't started drawing it out. Oh, they've stuck the sides a little bit.
Do you want to just, if it has got wax on the sides, maybe scrape it off so they don't all get real crammed in
it's
there?
just joining the side of the wire just here.
Oh yeah.
So they've just waxed over the wire a little bit. But that's about all that's happened on this one. No drawing out, nothing. Alright, so let's just put that down there for now. So they've really gone hammer and tongs in these other ones. Heaps of pollen, eh?
Yeah.
Still not fully drawn out.
No. But you can see the next couple of frames are packed with these.
Might as well have a look, while we're here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold this one up for us. Now, this might be the one that had the queen on it last time, wasn't it?
There's a little bit of captive brood in here, but it's not real strong, but there's a lot of gaps. Hoping our queen isn't in trouble. Is this one that we salvaged?
This was, I believe. And you can see it looks fairly stuck together.
Let's just try. So.
Okay. Let's just sort of slot it into the other frame.
Can you get a good picture of that?
Yeah, I've zoomed in. It's got a...
Okay, we've got a fair bit of brood on there.
Yeah. Have a look for the queen on that one, eh? Possibly. It's like doubled over. Like this side. Have like mate.
Yeah.
Fold that one up. Can you tilt it sideways so we can see down the where they've doubled it up? So it's sort of.
There's not a lot of brood. There's a lot of cats. Brood.
Yeah.
Is that because it's hatched?
Yeah. Alright, let's get that back in. I haven't really done much in the last time we looked. Push that up against there. This one's a foundation one.
This one did have cat's bird on the last time, didn't it?
Yeah. There's a bit on there.
See, it's close.
Oh, it's pretty patchy, man.
You reckon?
Yeah. Like there's not a lot of brood capped on this.
Look around.
Hey?
Look around. Maybe it's just. Maybe you just get that after they've all hatched. Maybe some.
Well, she's not exactly laying 3,000 eggs a day at this rate, is she?
No.
Wherever she is, we haven't seen her yet. She might be in trouble.
What do you mean, like sick or?
Getting old. She might have even died, or
Who knows?
Then you'd think they'd make a queen cell, wouldn't they?
Well, yeah, they would. They should have.
Oh, here she is. She's just there in the middle.
Oh, yes,
Oh, there's larvae in there, in those holes.
her wings. One of her wings is fairly tattered,
Yeah.
but one of them still. So, still pretty hard to guess how old she is.
Oh, she's on in there. Okay, so the queen's still going. We're seeing some larvae. Look at this one. They're really small bees, man. I keep saying it, these are really, really small bees. They're still not that much.
I think there is a lot more bees though, because there was only about 4 frames filled with bees. And this one seems to be.
I wonder if they've got enough food. They haven't seen any honey. I mean, there's pollen. But really, you still got these two that nothing's happened on. I don't think we'll put that top box back on.
No?
What's the point?
Well, I guess if they haven't done anything and they've still got a fair amount of frames to put on. Just draw it out.
Was this one we took out? Yeah.
Where was that one now?
That was on the end.
Might as well keep it there then.
Oh, sorry, buddy. That stuff makes a bit of noise now, doesn't it?
Yeah, now.
Well, not much action here. So we still got 1, 2 that haven't been touched, and this last one hadn't been drawn out either, hey?
Nah.
So they haven't drawn any more comb. I wouldn't say she was laying too flat out.
Nah. Maybe we give them some more honey in a
We
jar.
might have to.
Because when we did give them that, how much do you reckon we did give them last time?
Well, it wasn't much, but
Yeah,
I haven't seen any food stores at all.
yeah. Except for pollen.
So they're not exactly expanding because
Is there any bees in that half there?
Yeah, there's some.
Maybe shake them out or something so they realise that. When you did just take the lid off and had a look in there, was there much happening?
In the top?
Yeah, in the top box.
Not really. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I reckon we need to give him some honey.
Definitely. That's probably why they might be a bit more rowdy now, because they're a bit angry they have got no...
Oh, that was still okay.
Yeah, they were. There was a few buzzing around at the entrance, so...